everyone, I'm Phoenix from Nova Scotia Car Shows and welcome to the 2026 Car Show season. It's been a long winter and I'm sure all of you are just as anxious to get all those cars out of the garage as I am. Before we get into everything, if you're new here, I just want to welcome you. And if you've been around for a while, thank you. The channel's headed into its 4th year now and it's grown to more than I've ever thought. I just want to share you some stuff that you've never known before about the channel and how it all started. So I was about 14 years old and I didn't have a lot going on. My dad told me to go tape a car show. That was it. I went, I filmed it, and somewhere along the way it turned into something I genuinely love doing. 4 years later, here we are. Along the way I've learned a lot about classic cars, muscle cars, and all that kind of stuff. Just by being out there, talking to people, and paying close attention to everything. From that, I've gained real respect for the culture and the history behind these cars, and the people who keep them alive. That means a lot to me, and it's a big part of why we keep showing up. So let's talk about what's been going on this winter, because it hasn't been quiet here on the channel like the previous years. I'm in the garage right now, and I want to show you this. This is our floor going to be going into the 58 Pontiac Pathfinder Sedan delivery. That love for Canadian automotive history and classic car culture is exactly why we chose this car for our tribute build. This is a Canadian Pontiac, factory built right in Oshawa, Ontario on a Chevrolet platform. And as a proud Canadian, that means something to us. And the sedan delivery body style is one of the rarest configurations Pontiac ever produced. It was actually registered as a truck. In 58, there were only 492 of them built, total. And out of that, we've only been able to find 2 others in Canada today. So if you know about any Pontiac Pathfinder sedan deliveries existing in Canada, reach out. Please let us know. Even if they're in the States, please reach out. We bought this car from some very special people out in Winnipeg. And they went a long way for us. They kept the car through the entire winter after we purchased it. Got it running so it could be transported, and they were honest and reliable every single step of the way. We really, really appreciate their integrity throughout the whole process because they didn't need to do all of that. You don't always find that, and it's made all the difference for us. JP's been working real hard on the 261 cubic inch motor all winter. It takes some real patience to source these parts, but it's coming along very well. We're getting close to paint now. The colors are picked and we just went a completely different direction than what we originally planned. About 100% different, honestly. You'll see it when it's done. We're not going to show it to you yet, and we're hoping to have it ready for Fredrod this year. And that would be something truly special to all of us on the channel. All right, the 2026 show season. We are really, really looking forward to this one. We'll be kicking things off at Lake Doucette, which is put on by a wonderful group of people. It has a great crowd, great organization, and always a fantastic way to open the season here. Some of the other shows that we'll be filming this year include the Yarmouth Car Show, Bear River for their 4th annual, can't believe it, Digby for the Lobster Bash, and we'll be returning to Fredrod in New Brunswick for our 3rd year in a row. That's pretty impressive, don't you think? We're also hoping to get to Liverpool, Crescent Beach, Middleton, and Aylesford. And on top of that, we're going to make an effort to cover shows that we've never been to before and try to get to as many of the car shows that we have. Wherever there are great cars and great people, we want to be there. Something we're really excited to bring to the channel this year is on-camera interviews. We've already had a little bit of these before, but we're trying to amp up on them for this winter. This actually came from one of our viewers who suggested he'd like to see more of it, and we took that to heart. The idea is simple. For every car, there's a story. How they found it, how they acquired it, and what it means to them. We want to bring more of that to you, whether it's a full restoration, something you've had for just a few decades, or a car you truly love. We want to hear about it. And if you see us walking around at a car show this summer, please approach us. These interviews will give us a lot of content to carry through the winter months to keep the channel going year round. Going into our 4th year, we're going to keep trying to grow the channel, and we keep looking to upgrade what we want to put out for you. We also want to hear from you. If there's anything you'd like to see more of or less, reach out to us and let us know. This channel is for the people who love this stuff as much as we do, and we want to keep producing content that you actually want to watch. There's a real culture in the classic car world that deserves to be documented and shared. 4 years in, that hasn't changed for any of us. If anything, it's only gotten stronger. Welcome back to 2026, and we'll see you at the shows.